Don't let your voice sound like all other noises today. Be loud, be bold, and make a difference. Hey everyone, this is Arundhati. Today I'm going to discuss with you that how motivation plays a significant role in everyone's life, how motivation help us to conquer our dreams, conquer our dreams that have been, hidden in ourselves, and how we can recognize our talent to achieve it, how we can pursue our dreams. It's truly said, success is guaranteed if you start the work. To do it perseverantly with a desire to achieve the dreams set by your mind. And it's also truly said that success does not come to you, you go to it. And the success story is all about how you are motivated towards it. Now, our mind is all about how we are deciding our actions and behavior. Our actions and behavior are directed by our physiological and psychological needs. They make people put their efforts and energies into what is desired. Now, motivation is a powerful force and drives people to do extraordinary things. It is only the motivation that pulls the people and make them full of enthusiasm, full of energy, determination, and are higher performers in everyday situations, in everyday, day to day course also. They are full of vibrant and dynamic energy, and they seek cooperation and having a will to do something big. Motivation is key to peace and happiness, provided it is in a positive mold. Now, motivation is literally the change in one's life through getting driving, getting being motive, which means that getting to into the needs, desires, and wants or drives within the individuals to accomplish the goals. Motivation is an internal process. Now, motivation could be either internal or external. Recognition, money, job, enrichment, social approval, fear, and fame are external motivators. The feeling of pride, the sense of achievement, the responsibility, the self belief, these are internal motivators. External motivation is temporary and it disappears the moment its motivators go away. For example, the fame of money. When you have money, the money never, get into place, or it's being possessed by a single person. Money has a dynamic nature, so it's not always that we at all instant of time will be full of money and all at all time will be wealthy. But it's not that through money we are deciding our goals. Internal motivator is permanent. Internal motivators are the self-esteemed, the possessings of this internal pride, internal sense of achievement, responsibility, self-belief. These are permanent in nature as they are the product of inner core and that help us to achieve something great in life. Now, for example, we have well familiar with the story of stubborn donkey and the carrot. Now I'm going to summarize the story. Here in the story, every morning the owner of the donkey faced the same dilemma, the reluctance of the donkey to do some work, and it showed, it refused to do the work, but the refusal was continued when the farmer didn't provide the donkey with the carrot. After getting the carrot, it would move a little and again stop. Then the owner would give him a bigger carrot. Then the donkey would do a little work more and then stop again. Then, as in moving, he even gave more bigger carrot to do work, to get work from the monkey, and then the monkey do some little more work and instantly stop. Now the owner faced a dilemma that he could not infinitely increase the size, as not possibly practical, not possible. Okay, so he couldn't increase the size of the carrot to get the stubborn donkey to work. This is a form of extrinsic motivation in which the conduct is driven by the external rewards like the nice food, the money, the fame, and the praise. So, this is when we are, getting a external factor to move ourselves to do something great. But remember, guys, that external motivators are temporary. The inner satisfaction is provided, the inner motivation should be developed within you. The intrinsic motivations is key to success. Now, discussing how motivation can be, characterized, how we can understand the motivation. Motivation help us to improve the efficiency of the people achieving their goals. Now, the motivation aid to action. It helps to, to increase the efficiency of our actions, of our performance. Motivation urges the people to participate in the activities that are health driven, okay, or that is of great significance to other people too. Motivation enhance overall health and happiness. Motivation help people to feel more in control of their lives. Motivation is of great importance. Motivation is something that is, key to success. Now, the motivation is crucial part of success, and this word motivations comes from the word motive, which means needs, desires, wants, or drives within the individual. Now, the essence of motivation is positive and persistently target oriented behavior. If we are inspired, we move and act. Various motivation types are often described as extrinsic and intrinsic. This I have already discussed that intrinsic motivations matters, and extrinsic motivators are they are arising from the outside environment, and they can't make us a successful person for long term. So always remember that keep a high level of internal motivation within you, and this will lead to passion and intense desire to achieve something. It represents the ultimate devotion to a goal and ensuring the single mindedness. Passion ignites dormant talents. Always remember, we can always find a dormant talent by getting ourselves motivated, by getting ourselves, into a creative environment. Always remember, a environment that does not create enough passion kills creativity. In such an environment, it won't take much time to convert a thoroughbred horse into a donkey. So always remember, keep yourself motivated, keep yourself full of enthusiasm, zeal, passionate, and always look for higher goals, higher dreams. Thank you and have a nice